They sold Sunburn behind my back to book my show and without my knowledge. And 2007 mein na, I realized that youth, we are the youngest population on the planet. 600 million below the age of 25, right? How do you write? Through music. Now India is, I call India the United States of India. 1 hour flight, different language, different food, different culture, different faith and different beliefs. True?
True, absolutely.
Correct?
Yeah.
तो कोई पंजाबी सुन रहा है, कोई गुजराती सुन रहा है, कोई भोजपुरी सुन रहा है. Correct?
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
So there's no universal genre in India. But electronic music is interesting. It has no lyrics.
No lyrics, yeah, just music.
So I said, this is brilliant. So we came up with the idea, and same year we did 2 intellectual properties. We did Metal Fest in East, which was a financial success, and we did Sunburn in Goa. And I said, Sunburn has the power to make a social difference. It was to unite the youth of the country in an outdoor environment, not sitting on your laptop in your house, and making friends with strangers through music. That is why Sunburn from day one had 50% of the area of Sunburn as a rock climbing, volleyball, library. Why would I put a library in Sunburn? Why would I have volleyball courts? Because it's a lifestyle.
It is the whole experience.
Yeah. Leave your world behind, come to planet Sunburn, live, love and dance forever. That's the line, yeah. I want to make a social difference. I do Hanuman Chalisa while starting Sunburn. I don't allow smoking in my house and office. My Pasip was non-smoking all. My brother used to smoke, my father used to smoke. He died of lung cancer. I never allowed smoking. Forget drugs and all. Mad or what? Do an interview one day. I did 5,000 events in Sunburn and nobody died and nobody got molested. I never went to jail. No, why not?
Absolutely.
Then, how?
So Sunburn became a big thing. It is still today a very big thing.
Bro, sorry, but see, you know we're not a nation that goes deep. And I don't want to say, we're a young nation. We're 78 years old, whatever we are, right? Nobody came to buy a ticket on 2007. At 4:14, I sold my first ticket. Now imagine building that infrastructure. We were into advertising, and so we got a 15% commission here. I'm investing, built a set, everything.
And this is
DJs from all over the world.
Exactly, all those
Car Cox, and everybody's there now. My brother feels again I'm dreaming. Every time I opened a business, I used to get lectures at home. फिर से ये ख्वाब देख रहा है. Because what was the comfortable thing to do? Continue advertising.
Your brother's a more stable, sort of a more
steady
kind of a guy, and you're the guy with the ideas.
Yeah, I don't want to put him in a box, but I don't think he was a dreamer. He didn't have the guts to dream.
You were the dreamer.
Yeah, it's fine. So many people just do one job all their life and they're happy. I'm not happy. Are you mad? I still feel there's so much left. I think the KFC founder started KFC at 64. I'm going to bang it in. My last quarter is still starting. But I'm going to do the same thing.
Colonel Sanders, yeah.
What is the definition of madness? To do the same thing every day and expect a new result. अबे नया करोगे तो नया होगा ना. सिद्धिविनायक जाके क्या होगा? गणेश जी को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो रोज कि कुछ करो खुद तुम करो ना. Anyway, so Sunburn was about that, but the challenge was there was a concept sale. So people thought electronic and trance music is drugs. हम like क्या हो गया यार ये? मतलब मैं तो दूर तक मैं तो हनुमान सच्ची में you read my book on Sunburn. I do Hanuman Chalisa.
Start with Hanuman Chalisa.
Talks with Lakshmi ji, Ganesh ji and Hanuman ji. I do a speaker puja, yeah, bro.
अच्छा speaker puja.
No touching, nothing, yeah. Bro, you're responsible for 30,000 people. सबके बच्चे हैं.
So you were telling me just a few minutes or few hours before the event started, tickets बिकी नहीं थी.
नहीं बिकेगी. तो डर लगा कि ये क्या कर दिया मैंने. Correct? और फिर crowd आया and it was a memorable event. Now what happens is 2007 event has happened. Everybody's happy, but obviously we made huge losses because the economics doesn't stack up. No foreign artist wanted to come to India because we are the land of snake charmers and elephants. They were surprised that I speak English. A point. B point. 80 rupees give you a pound. 70 rupees give you a euro. Correct? So I'm paying in euros and pounds and my Indian customer wants to pay in rupees. How will I bridge the gap? But I said, no, I'm going to do it. It's a dream. Okay? Never been to an electronic music festival in my life. I swear on my dead mother.
Wow.
I created it from scratch. And I have evidence of it. International people respect me for it. It's homegrown. Fully homegrown. And I'll tell you the story after 4 years when I went abroad and I saw a festival. I said, wow. I was so proud. But guess what happened in 2008? Nobody talks about it.
Okay, tell us.
Yes. 26/11.
Yeah. Okay.
तो फिर पूरा देश सदमे में आ गया. बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हो रहे हैं, लोग मर रहे हैं। तो वह कब हुआ? 26 नवंबर को। सनबर्न कब होता है? 27 दिसंबर को। तो 30 दिन बाद सनबर्न है, राइट?
Correct.
और सेकेंड ईयर है
Second year.
लॉस के बाद, राइट? नो सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द फैमिली, नो ब्रदर शदर, नो बडी, नो पार्टनर ऑल्सो, सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी। कुत्ते पे रख दो नाम, फिर बाद में जब प्रॉफिट बन जाएगा तो
सब आ जाएगी.
सब हाँ, बहती गंगा में सबको नहाना है ब्रो।
Success has many fathers. Failure doesn't have anyone.
Cut to now 2008, bomb blast happened, correct? आज तक nobody's written an article on this. Now I'm standing in the sands of Goa, right? And the event is now, all events in India were cancelled.
So you have to
Are
raise
you a
the money.
dreamer?
Yeah, I'm a dreamer. Yes.
So now in second year only, you're
Yeah.
doing your first intellectual property and it shuts down. Will it come back ever? No.
No.
No chance. Because all artists are booked 6 months in advance.
Correct.
I'll be wiped off.
You have to pay the money in
Everything
advance.
is done. Everything is done. Correct. But it's a huge thing. 26/11. So then I said, what do I do? And I was emotional. I lost friends in Taj. You're forgetting that I was a waiter in Taj. I lost my friends. They died. I know them by name. And you'll be surprised that 25/11, 26/11 happened. Where was I on 25th night? Taj, Kolaba ballroom with Kapil Dev, drinking a bottle of red wine. Same room, one day before. Where was I on 26/11? Taj, Land's End with Priyadarshan. I spent the night in his room. I didn't come home. I was not allowed to come home.
Oh my
So both nights I was in Taj.
God. On opposite sides of the city.
Yeah,
Uh,
true story. So it's like, why? Now I'm standing there, I'm saying, what do I do?
so there's a dilemma over there.
I was on the ground and I called the media
Hmm.
because all the events in India were banned. No live events. But I saw the Prime Minister's speech and I saw the Home Minister's speech on TV. हम डरेंगे नहीं, हम झुकेंगे नहीं. Hindustan will not bow down to terrorism. देश चलेगा, हिंदुस्तान खड़ा रहेगा. ऐसे ये तो अच्छी बात है. मैं बोला ये अच्छी बात है. सिनेमा थिएटर खुला हुआ है, कॉफी शॉप खुली है, होटल्स खुले हैं, एयरलाइन उड़ रही है, ट्रेन जा रही है.
So events को बंद कर.
सनबर्न के बंद कर रहे हो?
क्या
So
logic?
I appealed through media from the beach of Goa कि ये ना करिए आप please. Let people make the decision. So I appealed and guess what happened? 2008, only one live event in the entire country that took place was Sunburn.
Oh, awesome.
Go figure it out.
So that is the grit.
You have to.
That is a grit. That is called grit, right?
Yeah.
You just have to.
अरे हमारे लीडर कह रहे हैं कि हम झुकेंगे नहीं, हम छुपेंगे नहीं, हम खड़े रहेंगे. करेक्ट?
Correct.
तो फिर हमारी दुकान क्यों बंद कर रहे हो? डरा क्यों रहे हो हमको? तो वो तो 2008 हुआ. We made our first profit in year 5. Just letting you know.
5 years.
Yeah.
You're
see,
burning
see,
money.
Yeah, it's a long haul. So that was the journey of Sunburn, and then of course Beti Ganga में तो फिर.
सभी आते हैं.
But yeah, beautiful journey, outstanding experience, supremely creatively motivating and inspiring.
Which failure taught you the most?
I think failure of trust. Yeah, I trust a lot. I just trust everything.
Talk us
See,
more.
like,
Talk more about this.
You have to stab me right in my chest, in my face to believe you stabbed me.
Anybody who
If
stabbed
you
you?
stab me in my back, I won't believe it. Somebody will say, इसी ने किया है. मेरे को नहीं यार, मैंने देखा नहीं यार. So a lot of trust यार. So everybody यार.
Give us some names, ना?
नहीं ये क्या होता है?
अरे यार, it's a podcast. You have to give some names.
नहीं किसी को मतलब नहीं मैं.
Or give the context. If not names, context. His context means has somebody stabbed you? Was it in business? Was it in advertising, media,
Actually,
events?
see, nobody.
Which line of business did you get stabbed?
Like right now, I'm fighting a very strong case for Sunburn. It's in the newspapers already. It's in Economic Times. The illegally or legal, I don't know. It's in the court and it's in EOW. The case.
What happened over there?
There's a preliminary inquiry. They sold Sunburn behind my back to book my show and without my knowledge and
Who's they?
brother and other shareholders.
Okay.
So it's in EOW. You can Google it. So it's not that I'm speaking. It's being the preliminary inquiry is on right now to figure that out. So that is fine. It's okay. मेरी एक पुरानी कहावत है यार कि अगर मैंने खिड़की खुली रखी है और मच्छर आ गया तो गलती मेरी है. हाँ मतलब let's not. But fair enough.